The next thing that we're going to do is to skim coat the model with clay. But before we do that, I want to talk to you about the armature. Within the bottom of the armature are these foam blocks. This foam block will keep the model in the right XYZ position. The foam block comes in and out of our foam armature. When putting it back in, always use the reference lines in the same location. The larger foam block is used for easier working access. But we're going to use this one with dragging the model and skim coating the model and doing the wheel openings. And then we could change it out if you're more comfortable with the taller one. So what I've done is I've stuck double stick tape down to the base plate within our parameters here. And the model will then go in there like that, okay? So now it's nice and firm. So now when we pack our clay, it's not gonna be moving all over. And when we drag our sections, it's gonna stay nice and tight. Now we're gonna skim coat our armature with clay. Grab about a little larger than a golf ball or something like a baseball and make sure it's nice and hot. At the packing level, you wanna make sure that your clay is at least 140 degrees. Pinch off a little piece like this. Using your thumb, start skim coating the model. Skim coating means basically about 1/16 of an inch. We don't want to put too much at this point because we're going to be dragging it. We don't want to have any resistance. The way we pack is we use our thumb going forward, our index finger going backwards, okay? And I'm going to skim coat this whole model. This armature has been designed so you don't have to pack any clay to the bottom edge. This bottom edge is actually the profile of your side view engineer drawing. So we're going to come across, we'll pack the body side. Okay. After we have a nice skim coat of clay over the model, when we go back to adding more clay, it'll stick to the clay. We can run a little skim coat in the wheel openings. But right now, we're not concerned with the wheel openings. What we're concerned with is just skim coating the whole model. You can see I can continually go forward with it. You don't want to have lots of ridges. You don't pack like this. Never pack like this because the clay will come right off. You always pack and push your edges down. Remember, never pack like this. The clay, it'll come right off and you'll get all kinds of air bubbles. Because once the clay gets cold, it'll get real hard and you won't be able to push the edges down. So make sure you do not do that.